राधा सुधान Srila Prabhupada Saraswati Pad has composed this verse glorifying Srimati Radhika's 7 oceans of divine love. What is that? You know? Vaidabda Sindhu Anuraga Rasaika Sindhu Vatsalnaika Sindhu Oti Chandra Kripaika Sindhu Lavanya Sindhu Amrita Chavirupa Sindhu Radhika Spuratu Me Hridikeli Sindhu. You learn this verse. Who learn? No learn? Learn this verse. Sindhu Anuraga Rasaika Sindhu Vatsala Sindhu Atisandra Kripaika Sindhu Lavanya Sindhu Amrita Chavirupa Sindhu Shri Radhika Spuratu Me Hridikeli Sindhu Shri Radhika Spuratu Me Hridikeli Sindhu. Very nice, beautiful this sloka. May Srimati Radhika, who has 7 transcendental oceans of divine qualities, manifest in my heart. She has an ocean of divine expert humor, an ocean of divine deep attachment, an ocean divine motherly affection, an ocean of divine deep compassion, an ocean of divine and effulgence of splendor, an ocean of divine form, an ocean of divine amorous pastimes. How many?
7.
2. You count or not? No. Not counted. First her divine love, ocean. That is called, she has ocean of divine expert humor. Vaidagda Sindhu. Vaidagda Sindhu. Anuraga Rasaika Sindhu. Vaidagda means? Vaidagda means renunciation. Vidagda means human. Vaidagda is an ocean of divine expert human. Srimati Radhika's Vaidagda Sindhu, ocean of divine expert humor in compared to pure water. That is called Vaidagda describes a person who is very elegant, intelligent and expert of different language and connoisseur of relishing sweet of loving mellows. That is called Vidagda. Vaidagda Sindhu. You understand or not?
Yes.
What do you understand?
She's the relisher, she's the connoisseur of divine knowledge.
Vaidagda Sindhu. एक दिन श्रीमती राधिका Manohar. Okay, once Krishna was taking rest in his kunja. In the meantime, Srimati Radhika entered in that kunja. Krishna tried to attract her to rest with him on his bed. But Srimati Radhika, expert to loving play, replied, "O Sam, your complexion is very dark. If I were to take rest with you, I would also become blackish." Huh? You understand? What do you understand?
If she rests with Krishna, her complexion will also become blackish.
Now, what did I say? Then, what did you say?
Krishna was resting in the Kunj, and Srimati Radhika came, and Krishna tried to bring her to rest. And she said, she was very expert in loving play, and she said, if I rest with you, you're very blackish, if I rest with you, then I will also become blackish.
Okay, nice. So if I were to take rest with you, I would also become blackish. Then Chatur Shiromani and Krishna replied, "Hey Pran Priya Srimati Radhike, the color of gold can cover the stone, but the color of the and what is called kostuk. Huh? No, one kind of stone. That is the, you can also check this gold is pure or not. What is it called? You are not?
It's like a scratching stone.
Scratching the stone, the blackish, no?
Black stone, I think.
Black stone. So black stone, the goldsmith black stone that lived in there cannot make any mark on the gold. You understand? What did he say?
Black stone cannot make any mark on the gold, so Krishna cannot mark on
And there is the black stone taking the
test to see if it's really gold.
golden gold,
Can come on the black
their body, and stone again. But the gold cannot take the black. Here the black stone is being compared to Krishna, and Srimati Radhika is being compared to the gold. The color from the gold can go on the black stone and in able to cover it, but the black stone cannot even make a mark on the gold. Krishna can become completely covered by Srimati Radhika, but Srimati Radhika cannot be even marked by the Krishna. And in the end of Srimati Radhika covers Krishna with her golden complexion, but Krishna cannot cover and her with his black color. And have you seen Srimati Radhika is blackish? And you know see? And But Krishna and covered with the golden complexion. That means Srimati Radhika, she covered to Krishna, but Krishna cannot cover to Srimati Radharani. Balavindavan Vihari Lal. Huh? This is the thing. Huh? They are also saying this sloka was very nice. Naradiya Puran, Haribhakti Vilas, Haribhakti Subhodaya. Explain this. Jasya Jat Sangati Pungsang Maniva Tatsa Evatat Gunai. Sarva Kulanaiva Tu Dinam sa ivajasya sa evam samayet. Just as a crystal reflects the color of the objects with which it is contact, and so on person develops the qualities according to the company he keeps. Actually, this is not the rasa vichar. This is your tattva vichar. And if you associate with a good person, then good qualification will come. Or if you associate with bad person, bad qualification will come. Coming or not? If you associate with which person? Or the bad person?
Bad habits.
Bad habit person. Those who are, what is called? Smoking, ganja, bhang. Very easy to become smoker. This is the thing. Or if you associate good person, then good qualification will come. Sadgun will come. For this regard, Shastra always saying, always associate with good person. Never associate with bad person. Haribhakti Subhodaya actually gives this evidence that how we will always associate with good person. And understand? Krishna is a good person or bad person?
Sometimes.
Tattva vichar, Krishna is a good person, no? Tattva vichar, he is a good person. He has many qualifications. And Ananta Gun, unlimited, he has qualification. This is true.
Why did they say he only has 64?
Huh?
Why did they say he only has 64 qualities? That he has unlimited?
Why?
Yeah.
Why not?
You just said unlimited qualities.
But he has unlimited qualification, Ananta Gun, this is true. But when you calculate that, giving the sum, estimate to you, you have unlimited qualities. But he is saying the sum, then everybody can understand. Ananta means is endless. When you speak of the endless, that time you cannot to give any count, nothing. Because this is called human being lila, manav lila. Krishna, he performs humanly lila, manav lila. So in this manav lila, just giving the sum, and about your idea you can understand. Those who are Gyanis, and they are thinking he has even is called unlimited. Asim Ananta. This is true. And what is the sky? Ananta. Unlimited. And if you go to the sky, what is the end of the sky? Huh? But in this material world, everything has also limit. You cannot say unlimited. Ocean. Ocean, the water of the ocean is what?
Salt.
No, unlimited. Ananta Jalaras. But also in this material world, everything is also a limit. There's some counts. You can also do this. But we are saying, how many oceans? 7 oceans. What is the name of this? Is the 7 oceans.
Vaidagya Sindhu.
Huh?
Vaidagya Sindhu and
Milk Ocean.
No, in our Shastra saying in this way, 7 types of ocean. That is called Lavan Samudra, the ocean of salt. Understand? Then Sugar Samudra, Ikshu Samudra, the ocean of sugarcane. Sugarcane juice. Sura Samudra, the ocean of alcohol. Understand? Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. Sapta Samudra. Then Ghrita Samudra, the ocean of ghee. Dadhi Samudra, the ocean of yogurt. Then Milk Samudra, no? The ocean of milk, that is Dugdha Samudra. Then ocean of pure water, देखिए शुद्ध जल समुद्र है, everything is there. सप्त समुद्र है. But we are now only looking which samudra, which ocean? Salt. All the water of the ocean salty or not? Huh? You tasted not? When?
When I was looking at the ocean by accident.
By accident. By accident you touching the
Drinking. Swallowing.
Swallowing. Yesterday you were not. Not coming in the mouth.
Didn't swallow, no.
Not taking your mouth or
Yeah,
not?
coming in the mouth.
Mouth.
it was like
सप्त समुद्र है. So just I also explain this. So now here also, here Srimati is a Krishna's also how many qualities? 64 qualifications. But Ananta, unlimited. If you glorify to someone, or he has unlimited qualities. So no need to speak anyone, but he is unlimited. But you have to speak some also. Understand? You have many qualifications. What is your qualification? You are very nice, speaking very nice, yesterday he spoke very nice katha. Many slokas. Good qualification, no? This is good qualification. Nisimha Prabhu, Nisingananda, many qualifications. But we speaking also some qualifications is good. Because we cannot count all the qualifications. But some also qualifications we can count. Everybody has qualifications. Jiva's how many qualifications? First we tell. Huh? Huh? How many? Very loudly. 50. But very small. Jayabhadra Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. Jiva's how many qualifications?
50.
But very small one. Bindu matra. Bindu, understand? Very small. I like dot. Are those devotas?
50.
How many?
50. No, saying 50.
You are not reading Jaiva Dharma, so how to speak Harikatha? How many?
50.
50. More than the Jiva, human being.
No, but it's like a higher quality, like a more higher. The same quality but better.
Huh?
Like if I'm nice, they would be nicer, much nicer.
Okay. Huh? Understand? This thing. Are Shivji how many?
55.
55 qualification. 5 qualification is extra. Are Vaikuntha Vishnu how many? 60 qualification. Ramchandra's 62.5.
What's the half qualification?
62.
What is his half qualification?
First, do you know?
Half qualification?
Do you know how the what is called? What is the 62 qualification? First, do you know or no?
First comes 62, then the half that comes after.
Okay.
Then I will tell you the half.
Okay. Great deal. Okay.
So you learn.
Okay.
Very easy to ask question. Very easy to ask question. This is true. But to give the answer, difficult. Question paper is coming. Then you have to write. But if you not read, how to write? Okay, just your curiosity I am saying, which are the half qualification. Actual Shastra saying in this way, I heard from Gurudev, Srila Gurudev explained this way, the Ramchandra, what is called? There is the Vatsala Bhav also in his heart. That Vatsala Bhav mixed with opulence. Because Ramchandra, he has love and affection with his son, love and kush. But mixed with opulence. Aishwarya. Sakha Bhav also. He has love and affection with friendship mood with
Lakshman, Shukrna, Bharat.
Sugriv. That is called friendship mood is there. Because he made the friendship with Sugriv. Dasya Bhav complete. First you to understand Dasya Bhav complete. Or first that is called? No. Santarash. Santarash complete. Or Dasarash complete. So now coming half. Which one the half? Sakharash is there, also half is there. Because they are mixed with opulence. Vatsalaras also mixed with opulence. Madhurya Rash, he has love and affection, conjugal mood, love and affection with Sita Devi. Also mixed opulence. So now what is there? Everything half. That you cannot, so the mathematics way you can to adding, what is called? You cannot say this. All rasas is there. Sakha, Vatsala and Madhurya, there is all these are half, not complete. Huh?
3 have
1.5.
Huh?
Shanta is complete.
Shanta is complete rasa. Dasa also complete.
Half
But-
means the 3 half rasa. It's not like mathematically half.
Half even. Only all these are half rasa.
1.5 and 63 and a half. It's not like 60.
You cannot calculate the half. That means Sakka half, Vatsala half and Madhurya half. Additional. All this is there. All three rasas is also half. That is called one half. Or Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Huh? This is the calculation. It is. Huh? Narayan 60 qualifications. Huh? Understand? Narayan never joked with anyone. He is always what? Serious. Huh? Chaturbhuj Narayan. Huh? Have you heard Narayan joked with anyone? Narayan has sons, daughter? No. Nothing. Wife is there. But with Lakshmi Devi always not and very serious Lakshmi Devi. So for this reason Narayan is saying, Nahang tishtami vaikunte, na cha yogine hridaye cha, mad bhakta jatra gandhi tatra tishtami narada. And Narayan is told, once Narada Rishi asked to Lord Narayan, you tell me where I will stay. Well, I am not staying in the heart of I am not staying always Vaikuntha. Nahang basami Vaikuntha. Not a yogina hridayecha, always I am not staying in the heart of the yogis. Where I will stay? Bole madhbhakta jatra gandhi tatra tishtami narada. You have house, but you are not staying in your house. What is the meaning of house? It is better give to rent than get money. You understand? Who has house? Huh? You have no house?
I don't own it, it's rented.
Also India also rented house.
I don't think the house in India yet.
You have Holland your house?
Rented house.
Rented house. All you are staying in rented house.
No money to buy it.
There's
Huh?
all monks here, Maharaj. No house, there's all monks.
Nobody your house, own house. You have house? Huh? Rented.
Cost like $1 million.
Huh? He has house. Yes, so he
Raise
has
your
house.
hand, please. Only householder.
Only one? Only one householder we found there. You have house? Okay. He has house. Huh? You have house? No.
Wherever Shamanji is, then is her house.
Okay. You have no house? All rent? All rent. Oh.
Do you have house today?
Huh? All your house is my house. Anyway, I have house also. Huh? Many houses. Huh? I have many houses.
Many rented houses.
No, I am not paying, so I am not the. Yeah, he is sticking, now saying another way. No, all your house is my house. Where I am going and staying there, this is my house. This is going his house, his house. When I am going his house, also staying his house or not. That house belongs to me. Because sadhus no need a house. Where he is going, that's saying this is my house. Eh? Understand? If your own house is a very big problem. Eh? Who has own house always carrying? Snail. Snail understand? His own house. Huh?
Yeah, he carries the house with him.
You understand?
Yeah.
Snail, always staying in the house, and walking with his house. Understand?
attached in the last line.
So sometimes you have to say, oh, if you attach your house, then next birth you will become snail. Understand? Those who are listening, they will be angry. But this is true. You're saying, this is my house, this is my house, my house, my house. Okay. Okay. Next birth you will become snail. Don't know, very easy to carry your own house. You will stay in there.
Rent.
And this is true. Snail their own house. Very nice. So no need to own house. Rented house is good also. Good or not? No headache.
Except the rent.
Headaches or not? If you have own house, then
Too much headache.
too much very bad headache.
You got to fix everything.
Understand? Fix everything. They give taxes also government.
Owner tax.
Look like nice, but big headache. So no need. Chalo. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal. Yeah. So what am I saying? Narayan, how many qualifications? So Narayan is saying 60 qualifications. Do you think? Ramchandra, how many? 62 and half. Oh, no, we forget this. She was how many? For the 5. Because Devatas only 50. Or he has extra 5 for the 5 qualification Lord Shiva. You're not reading? Shiva Tattva?
It's very renounced.
Huh?
You don't know house.
You read something, then you speak. You know. You forget. Hey, follow. She was 5 reasons. Some Maya's gun is there also. Maya's some gun is in there. Bhagavat gun is there. Bhagavat gun, Vishnu some gun is there. You can read Yavadharma. But there are 5 extra qualifications of Shiva. Why Shiva is called 65 or 55 qualifications. This is very important also. When we speak about Shiva Tattva, then we discuss these things. So now coming in this way, Vishnu's 60 qualifications, Ramchandra 62 and half, or Krishna 64 qualifications. But 64 qualifications, I mean, this is 4 qualifications is extraordinary. Rupamadhurya, Lilamadhurya, Venumadhurya and Premamadhurya. Achha, now coming Srimati Radhika, how many qualifications? Unlimited also. But our Shastra is saying how many? 25 qualifications Srimati Radhika. 25 gun. But that qualification is extraordinary. You are looking the Krishna's qualification 64, or Srimati Radhika's how many? 25, 25 gun. But that qualification is what? Extraordinary. Good or no? One person qualifications, that are the things. But what kinds of quantity is there? Quality and quantity is there. And Srimati Radhika's. So explain in this way, and Srimati Radhika's qualification very powerful. For this regard, she controls to Krishna. Okay, not coming in this way. Here also in the same way as the 7 oceans and the 9 islands are described in the 7 oceans of divine qualities of Srimati Radhika's are described as follows. Her Vaidagdha Sindhu is her ocean of elegance. Her Anuragika Sindhu, and her Anurag Sindhu is the ocean of her deep attachment. Her Vatsalika Sindhu is the ocean of motherly affection. Her Kripayika Sindhu is the ocean of her compassion. Her Lavanya Rasika Sindhu, Lavanya Sindhu, in the ocean of her effulgence. Her Amrita Chhavi Sindhu is the ocean of her beautiful form, Rupa. Her Keli Rasaika Sindhu is the ocean of her divine amorous sweet pastimes. These are Srimati Radhika's. All these are good qualifications. She is very expert to laughing and joking also with Krishna. Krishna joked with Srimati Radhika, this is it. But when Srimati Radhika she joked with Krishna, then Krishna cannot give the answer. Understand? What do you understand?
Srimati Radhika is very expert. Like the laughing and joking, and when she laughs and jokes with Krishna, he can't give his answer. He has no response.
Who is always pure but also impure. What is that? Srimati Radhika, she asked, which is always impure but always pure. Why? You understand? Are our hair? Hair. And when, according to Vedic culture, hair in your head, that is pure. But when hair and separate your body, that is called impure. Nails in your body, pure. But when you cut the nail and separate, impure. Look at this. Vedic culture is saying this. So sometimes Srimati Radhika, she asked to Krishna, who is always pure but impure, apavitra. When he is pure? When he is separate from a body. You touch your hair, okay, pure. Or when the same hair falling down, that is called impure. Understand? Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki. So Srimati Radhika sometimes she also defeat to Krishna. Krishna cannot give answer. If you read Adi Grantha, Sri Krishna Bhavana Merit Grantha also there. They discuss these things also. How Srimati Radhika joked with Krishna. So Vaidagdha, Vidagdha, Vaidagdha Sindhu. And this book was very nice. You read or not?
It's not out.
You edit, you also maybe English good or not? You read. Yeah.
Tell Ananga to give it to me.
Huh?
Tell Ananga to give it to me.
He did not give to you?
No,
Why?
I don't know.
You did not ask?
I did ask. He said, please forgive me. That's all he said. He said, don't take my offense. I said, there's no offense, just send it. The offense is clear.
No.
She has a question.
Who hai? What is the question?
Chika.
Why Radha has the need to control Krishna?
Why Srimati Radhika she controlled Krishna?
Needs to control Krishna.
And
He's out of control.
that is your love. If you love someone, then you control. If you have no love, how to control? Mother, she controls her baby or not? You have son's daughter? No. Nothing, okay, good. Who has sons daughter? They are control their babies. So in the love creates these types of things. And if you have no love, how to control? This is the process also. Many people walking, many other children, their babies, they also walking or here and there. You are not saying anything. But if you have son, you control or not? Sometimes also, love is very important. If you have love, then you control. People also, they walking in the beach with their dog. Sometimes there is a dog or there is what is called. And with the rope, no? Bind. Because sometimes dog going here and there, so they control it. Or sometimes also free, giving free or not. Because that dog belongs to him. You understand? If you have love, love is as like rope. Love is as like rope. But this love of rope, you have to bind to whom? That Sanskrit word is prema rasmi. Prema rasmi. Or prema rajju. What do you say? Prema rajju. Rajju means rope. Love is as like rope. You understand? This way. Srimati Radhika, she bind to Krishna with her prema rajju. This is the simple. If you love, then you control. If you don't love, chalo, what you are doing, no need to see. But these types of love, different level of love. First to do that love is called, he belongs to me, I belongs to him. What is called? Tadyatta bhav and madhyatta bhav. You try to understand. Anika tadyatta bhav and madhyatta. He belongs to me. That love is very strong thread. What is called? Thick. That love you can control. I belongs to you. Eh? That love is another category. You understand or not? Eh? Ghita sneha and madhu sneha. Love and affection as like ghee, or love and affection as like honey. What do you prefer? You like honey or you like ghee? Eh? Sometimes also joking. Or those who are, what is called? Vegan. Vegan?
Vegan.
They are no any kinds of, no Gita Sneha and no Madhu Sneha.
No sneha.
Because they are not taking also ghee, are not taking also honey.
No mamata.
If they are person, maybe they will be angry. But just a joke, don't angry. Some vegan saying, oh, you are taking milk production? No. You are taking honey? Also no. They are these ones. So which sneha have you? Our Shastra saying,
Agave syrup sneha.
two kinds of sneha. One is called Ghita sneha, another is called Madhu sneha. Love and affection as like honey, that is called Madhu sneha. A love and affection as like ghee. Those who are the Chandravalis, what is their love and affection with Krishna as like ghee. So now coming, those are taking ghee, they are going Chandravalis party. So what do you want? Honey. So from today you will not take. You want ghee or not?
No.
Hey, taking ghee. I saw you that taking the cheese or everything. That's a milk product. So stop, eat to milk product. And what will you take? Honey. For this guy I am not taking also milk product. You taking milk product or not? Sometimes. Okay. You? You? You taking milk product?
Yes.
Sometimes. No vegan. Here is no vegan? You are vegan? Okay.
Except for honey.
You take honey. Oh, she is nice. Only you taking honey. Okay. So now she is going to which side? Radharani side. Bolo Radharani ki jai. Good, You taking honey or not? Or milk? Both. Honey and milk both. Okay. That means which way? Neutral. This also there. Tatastha. Just a joke. No, don't worry. You don't upset. So Ghita sneha and Madhu sneha. Just come in the Tattva Siddhanta. But don't take everything my joke serious. Otherwise you will be offended. Oh, Maharaj told me I am the party of Chandravali. I am not saying you are the party of Chandravali or you are party of Srimati Radhika.
You're saying we're neutral.
Yeah. Which are you? When you do bhajan and sadhan, come in the stage of prem dasa, then you realize. Now you do bhajan and sadhan. Adu shraddha, tatu sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, अनर्थमृति निष्ठा रुचि आसक्ति भाव प्रेम then स्नेह मान प्रणय राग अनुराग भाव महाभाव. You understand? Now very difficult to come in the stage of Shraddha. Not so easy. But Shraddha, which types of Shraddha need? Yesterday I told. Which Shraddha? Attantiki Shraddha. What is Shraddha? Unflinching faith. What is the unflinching faith? Follow. Tirthapada Prabhu. You forget. I've been in Brazil many times I have told. Attantiki Shraddha. What did he say? Attantiki Shraddha. Are khanda khanda hoy jodi diha pran tathapi badane nachari harinam. If my body cut in pieces, I will not give up harinam. Chant harinam. Attantiki Shraddha means the unflinching faith. This is very important. You understand? Attantiki Shraddha is very important. If you not come in the stage of Attantiki Shraddha, actually your bhakti, Devi is what? Flickering and very soft. Do or die. That is called Attantiki. This life, I do bhajan and sadhana, not do anything. These types of faith is. Understand? Sleepiness coming or not? Something. You? Sleepiness coming? Good. No, listen. Attantiki Shraddha. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained in his granthas. Bhakti Tattva Vivek explained. Attantiki Shraddha. In this life, only I perform bhajan and sadhana. Do or die. You are a householder or brahmachari, this is not our subject. Subject is that I do bhajan and sadhana. And not worship any demigod, demigoddess. Na pujibe anna dev devi. Not worship any demigods. Only worship our Ishtadev, divine called Radha and Krishna, or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And first, one particular Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Gaur Anigatta Radha Krishna Seva, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. We worship Radha and Krishna under guidance of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Gaur Sundar Seva. While do Arati, what is it called? Singing which song? And evening song? Hiva Jaya Jaya Gora Chandi Arati Kosuva Janovi Tatavani Jagamanalova. Gaur Sundar Seva. Gaur. Or then we singing which song? Jaya Jaya Radha Krishna Jugala Milan Arati Karena Lalitadi Sakhigan Madana Mahana Rupa Trivanga Sundar Pitambara Sikhi Pucha Chura. I am singing this first Gaur Sundar. And then will come Divine Kapila Radha and Krishna. Actually, this is process. Gaur Sundar. So just I come back. Shraddha is very important. But which Shraddha? Attantiki Shraddha. Unflinching faith. Attantiki Shraddha. Then you come Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthavritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, then Prem. The Prem is then another stage of it. Eh? What the Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, then Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Udirura, Mudan and Madanakha Mahabhav. Huh? This is what did they say? Atantiki Shraddha. Huh?
Start there.
Huh?
We have to start there.
Pardon?
We must start there and then work our way up.
Yeah. This Shraddha is important. Then, what did I say? Huh? Gitasneha and Madhusneha. The love and affection as like ghee, that is called Gitasneha, a love and affection as like honey. That is called Madhusneha. But what is the difference? Why giving the example this compare with ghee or compare with honey?
He needs something added.
Properly, ghee has no own taste. You have ghee, touch your tongue, no taste. If you want to take the ghee, put some ingredients, then taste will come. You put some sugar, little bit salt also, salt, sugar, lemon juice, black pepper, many things also mix, but according to proportion. What is called? Proportion. Then you mix, then you can take taste. This is the process also. Or honey, own taste. Just to take it. If or something also, very carefully also. If you let that lot of honey, then you cannot sleep. Your body will very heat will come. Just I remember when once we traveled with Gurudev and Krishna Das Prabhu with us. So one devotee told him, okay, your energy will come if you lick the honey. So one devotee will give him honey, pure honey, honey. Maybe, I don't know, maybe and devotee gave him. Maybe Russian devotee or American devotee, I don't know. He licked it. Lot of, at night time we cannot sleep. Because if you lick the honey, your body will wear so much heat will come. This thing. So honey also there is called stimulate. Stimulant. Or ghee. Ghee also there. Ghee always is what change. Understand? Temperature, according to the temperature, ghee sometimes it's solid or sometimes it's liquid. And pure ghee actually this way. Or which is not pure ghee, not changing. Where I did only fire sacrifice. They give me ghee. That ghee, I putting that ghee, not melted. I mean, why? They put some, what is called? At the end, something putting. A pure ghee is what? And sweet smell will come also. This is the process. So just if the ghee change, or honey, always the same is Huh? It is not changing. Srimati Radhika, she always a fixed her mood with Krishna. Understand? Chandravali, if Krishna speaks very sweet, eloquent words, then Chandravali's heart melts. Look there. Or Srimati Radhika, if Krishna speaks some sweet words, flattering words, and Bali go Srimati Radhika, she knows. You are a big cheater. So now just will come in the one is called Gita Sneha, another is called Madhu Sneha. And Srimati Radhika love and affection with Krishna, that is called Madhu Sneha. So love and affection. Why? So for this regard, and you can control to Krishna with your love. And this love is coming two ways. One is called knowledge of relationship, samandhagyan, and another mamata, possessiveness. You understand? This is very important. You understand or not? For this regard, they control to Krishna. But who can control to Krishna? Who has mamata, possessiveness. This is very important. As like mother, she controls her baby or not?
Yes.
This is my son. You are saying my son. Minus and highness. The Sanskrit word is called ahangata and mamata. In this material world, the material ahangata and mamata, I-ness and minus. A transcendental world, that is called transcendental I-ness and minus. I am the father of my son Krishna. Krishna is my son. Who is saying? Nanda Maharaj is saying. Nanda Maharaj, he is saying, the Krishna is my son. I am his father. And in this material world, father is saying, I am father, or he is my son. That ahangata, mamata false, not true. Ahangata and mamata. You understand? Your relationship with your son, this is true. But that is your temporary. When you change your body, then no relationship. Change your body means you will give up the body and going another body. Then you are not saying this is my son. Or your son is not also saying he is my father. Everything changes or not. But in this material they are temporary also. Temporary our relationship. You understand? All in this material world, all the material relations are temporary. We are not saying that is the false. Mithya we are not saying this. Impartially they are saying everything is what? False. Brahma satta jagad mithya. Brahma jivaipa naparaha. This is the Mayavad philosophy. Brahma satta, they expect only Brahma, that is called absolutely truth. Brahma satta. Jagat mithya. What you are looking, everything is what? False. There are no any living entity. All they are called Brahma. Brahma illustrated by Maya, then giving his identity, I am Jiva. When Brahma disappears, if Maya disappears, then he is mixed with Brahma. That is called Brahmvad. You understand? What called? Brahmvad, illusion. They are giving very simple example. Eh? You are walking in the dark midnight. Eh? You cannot see. Eh? But suddenly you saw one thing is on the road. Eh? Then you are afraid. You are thinking this is snake. Eh? But when you, what is it called? And the light, torch, then you see that, oh, this is not snake, this is your rope. So this is your the illusion. Sarpa rajjubham, rajju mein sarpa brahm. Illusion with the snake, you are thinking this is rope, or the illusion in the rope, you are thinking snake. In the same way that they are giving this example. Illusion. Maya secretes the illusion. So Maya covered to Brahma. So that time Brahma giving his identity, I am Jiva. And when Maya disappears, then and you will become Brahma. You are not Jiva. Who are you? Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi. They are saying, Aham, I am Brahma. Are you? But Vaishnava philosophy are saying, no, you are not Brahma. Who are you? Turn in the Brahma. You are belongs to Brahma. You are not Brahma. You understand? What do you say?
I am not Brahma, I belong to Brahma.
I belong to Brahma. I am not father, I am the belongs to father. You understand? First understand Mayavad philosophy, then understand Vaishnava philosophy. If you don't know Mayavad philosophy, how to establish the Vaishnava philosophy? So for this you are saying, what are the Mayavadis, what they are saying? This is the thing. I am not Brahma, I am belongs to Brahma. All you are belongs to Brahma. That is called Brahma Jati. Because Lord is Sachidananda. A Jiva is also Sachidananda. But the difference is what? Lord is Brihat, or we are mind. This is the difference. Lord is Sachidananda. A Jiva is also Sachidananda. Anu Sachidananda. Anu means mind. You understand? As like gold, and the difference of gold ornaments coming from where? Gold or not? Qualities are there and there. So for this regard, Anu Chaitanya and Brihat Chaitanya. Chaitanya, this is your conscious. We are conscious being. Chaitanya Dharma is there. So that means all we are belongs to Brahma. But we are not Brahma. We are belongs to, let's say, I belongs to my father. They are saying this. Try to understand this. Because you are saying this, Mamai Vangsha Jiva Loke Jiva Bhuto Sanatana. And fire, big fire and small spark. That's Sanskrit one, what is it called? Agni Spulinga. What is it? Remember or not? Just speaking as like parrot. Then forget. What is it? Spuling. Jatha Agni Spulingavat. Vedanta is saying Jatha Agni Spulingavat. And when the big fire can burn everything. Also small fire, and that is called spark. Small spark not burn anything, but when they come in the touch in the petrol or something, this also create big fire. For this reason, always keep distance from the smoking. Those are smoking, and they were, and if the small spark will come, then big fire will come. And so for the airplane, always is what? Everywhere. No smoke. Putting the fire or the cigarette and Red Cross. You seen or not? So, because there is high inflammation, no? There. Any time of the small spark will come, then fire. Every time they also announce also. Announce or not? Every day. Everybody know also. And smoking the harmful for your health. Written or not? But still doctor also smoking. Why? So just so we are belongs to Brahma Jati. Actually, what is the real meaning of Brahma? Brahma sabdi mukha arthe kahe Bhagavan. The origin meaning of Brahma, that is called Bhagavan. And Mahaprabhu, Brahma sabdi mukha arthe kahe Bhagavan. Tanurda nahi ka saman. And he is unique and unparalleled. No one equal to him also. Who will be higher than him? न तस्य कार्य करंच विद्यते न तत्समस्त अधिकस्य विदिश्यते परास्य शक्ति विभुर सुवते स्वाभाविकी ज्ञान बल क्रिया च. And impartially they don't believe this verse, I think so. Learn this verse. न तस्य कार्य करंच विद्यते न तस्य अधिकस्य विद्यते. न तस्य कार्य करंच विद्यते न तो अधिकस्य विद्यते. परास्य शक्ति पर अस्य, he has innumerable potency also. Impartially they are saying Brahma has no potency, but in this verse very clearly explained, Lord has innumerable potencies. Our Vaishnava philosophy is saying innumerable potencies, but three potencies is very important. What is it called? Chit Shakti, Jiva Shakti and Maya Shakti. Shakti you have. Everybody you have Shakti or not?
Yes.
You have also Shakti. Shakti means potency, energy. What is your energy? Walking. Looking. Eat and talking. Bhak Shakti. If I say, oh, you have no potency, that is your criticize to you. You have nice eyes or not? If I say you have no eye. You have legs or not? How many legs have you? 2 legs. You are walking. If I say no, you are lame. So you are angry or not? Well, no, I am walking. So I am saying because impartially they are saying Lord has no form. Lord has no form. Lord is beautiful form is there. All Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everywhere glorified. He has beautiful form. Srimad Bhagavatam gives him. Para, Pidam, Nata, Prabhu, Karna, Karnikaram, Vibrata, Vasu, Kanaka, Visang, Vijanta, Maharam, Randhana, Vena, Radha, Sudaya, Purana, Gopa, Vrindai, Vrindaranam, Sapadaramanam, Pravishata, Kiti, Kirti. Krishna is beautiful form is there. Sarva Vedanta Sarang is Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavata, essence of all Ved, Puran, Upanishad. And Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. How is beautiful form of Lord. Rig Ved also explains this. Lord always staying with his Shakti. Radha Madhava Naiva, Madhava Naiva, Radhaya. Here is Krishna, there is Radha. Here is Radha, there is Krishna. Radha Purna Shakti और कृष्ण पूर्ण शक्तिमान द्वि वस्तु भेद नहीं शास्त्रीय प्रमाण. श्रीमती राधिका इज कॉल्ड पूर्ण शक्ति, कंप्लीट पोटेंट शक्ति. Krishna is called Shaktiman. He is the possessor of all the potence. Shakti, Shakti Matur Dayur Avida. So why impartially is saying the Lord God has no form. Lord has no Shakti, Nishakti, Niraka, Nirvise, Niranjan. Why? If I tell you have no eyes, you are angry or not? Well, I have eyes. You are looking. Lord looks or not? Vedanta Sutra, Sa Oikkata. He looks. That means he has eyes. Sa Oikkata. The Vedanta Sutra also. He has very nice, beautiful eyes. But that eyes is called here transcendental. Aprakita Chakshu. But you say, then also another sloka is saying, he has no legs, he walks. Apani Padu. He has no hands. And he has no legs. This verse says, Apani Padu Javana Grahita. So he has no legs, he walks. That means he is what? He has no material legs. He has transcendental legs. A simple way. Because Sanskrit words is to understand two ways. One is called Abhidhavritti, another is called Lakshanavritti. Abhidhavritti, direct meaning is. You understand or not? What do you understand? Not listening, so how to understand? Listen or not? Fala, what did he say?
Indirect and direct meaning. And in relation to Krishna's form, he's saying that he has no legs, but this means he is transcendental.
Yeah. Very nice. Bye. You are listening. Now only to repeat the parrot. No, listen. Remember. And he has no legs, but he walks. That means he has transcendental legs. And he is not eating in daytime, but he is very fat. Devadatta, Diva Ma Bhunjat. Devadatta, one person name is called Devadatta. But he does not eat in daytime, but he is very fat. So that means he eats what time? Night time. Daytime he is not, daytime he is not eating, this is true. But night time he is eating. The simple way. So that means we are not saying he never eats, we are not saying this way. He eats what time? Night time. But we are saying this, Devadatta Diva Ma Bhunjet. Devadatta is one person's name. He does not eat what time? Daytime. But he is fat. So how he become fat? Without eating. How possible fat? You are eating or not? No, I am not criticizing you, just giving example. This example is given in Shastra also. Jiva Goswami Pad give this example also. Understand this? So eating what time? Night time. Not saying that he never And it's daytime and night time, never eats. So how he is maintain his life? Eh? Who is not eating? Fala, tell. Who never eats? Who is that? Inert, Jod. Eh? Understand? Jod understand? Inert. Stone, eating or not? Sleeping or not? Walking or not? True? Jod. Conscious being, where is the conscious being? Chetan. There are three things are. Feeling, willing and knowing. Eh? We are drinking water or not? Eh? Daytime drink water, nighttime drink water. You are drinking water. Today, tomorrow, day after 5 days also drinking water. Eh? Every day we are drinking water also. You drink water or not? Every early in the morning when you wake up, drink 1 liter water. At least how many? 1 liter. They are very strong. Then everything is very clear. Good or not? You drink water or not? Hey. In my room, many rooms, we have the water is there.
Chocolate milk for him.
Huh?
Chocolate milk for him.
No. So before you was very nice boy. Now you become skinny.
My green.
Huh?
He's my green side.
Yeah. Huh? Understand? Before he was Rasgulla, now he is
Side, now he's
balloon finish.
Same as Gula, but
Drink water, more water drink. Doctor always saying, drink more water. More. Always doctor is saying to me also. I am drinking every day, but doctor is saying more. Drink water. This is very important. So now he is saying, what is the time now? 10:30.
so early, very early.
Just start. Harikatha.
Now class starts.
Now class start. If I speak too much, then sleepiness will come. Then tomorrow will not come again.
We can do another.
Okay,
We can do another midday part.
You cannot digest. If you speak too much, cannot digest. Less eat, then digest.
Less is best.
Less is best. But too much less, then you become, he's as like he very skinny.
Very skinny.
too much less than stress.
So much less than stress.
Than stress.
Not too much and not too balance. Good or not? Jai Jai Sri Ram. Okay, now take prasadam. Prasad is ready or not?
Yes.
Who is Jai Nisingha Prabhu ki Jai. Are you keep he is so kind. He is always cooking, servicing. Jai Nisingha Prabhu ki Jai. Jai Jai Sri Ram. Like his father, like son. His father so much love and affection with us. All brahmachari sannyasi laying down his lap also. When I am looking at that, they automatically remember his father.
When I look at you, I also remember my father. Should be
Very nice. When he comes in our temple, everybody also are embracing. Yeah. Good Premanandi Hari. Okay, now take prasadam. Don't delay to take prasadam. What is your question? Prepare prasad. So, offer or not?
Lord Vedanta Goswami Maharaj ki